Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about ILUS, Ilus stock down 0048. I called it yesterday. I said, hey, this looks like it wants to dump 20%, which it did. But just to be clear, I am not concerned one bit. I did buy my first position at low 008s, then some more at low 005s. And right now I have not added my biggest position, my last and biggest position. I'm gonna wait to see where it bottoms out. So I'm not concerned. Again, I've shown you this before. On a catalyst, on a PR that's hot, this can move. This thing went from 0055 to a high of almost 3 cents. This one green candle alone moved it a whole penny. This isn't the first one. Even here, look at 2023, guys. Look at 2023. You see that? 2023? All it did 2023 was go all the way down as low as 005s. That's all it did that entire year. But even within that downtrend, look, it moved from 0. Wait, no, that's not it. It moved from 576 to 674. Here it moved from 366 to a high of 584. So it can move a whole penny. So from here, if it moves a whole penny, it goes to 1.5. And I'm at what? My highest position is at 008, low 008s. So I'm not concerned because the share structure is it's not like ATXs. This thing can move when it moves. It's just going to be a while because we know they're not going to communicate with us. It's going to be a while before they make any kind of hot PR that moves it, unfortunately. ASNS, a perfect example of a stock that has a low float, an incredible share structure that allows for big volatile movements like the one this thing has been experiencing because it's simple supply and demand. There's just so much demand and so little supply that any kind of volume it's gonna explode 50% plus. Now that's what you need if you want to see Ilus gap up to dollars, but that's not gonna happen. It would need a 5 million float, and Ilus does not have 5 million float. Anyways, I think it's gonna bottom out down here. Oh wait, no, maybe not. Wait. Oh, I almost forgot. Yeah, they did come out with a shareholder letter today. A very interesting shareholder letter. Dear shareholders, share price and business progress. We've received several letters from shareholders in response to yesterday's significant selling pressure. I don't know why anyone's surprised. We've been following this stock for almost 3 years. I called it. I said, this looks like it's going to drop 20% because we've been there before. It's the same rinse and repeat pattern that's not going to change because they've already admitted we're not going to change anything. We're going to continue to grow the business and good luck to shareholders. So I believe it's important to address all shareholders in this letter with our feedback and opinion. Firstly, there have been no recent share conversions, and we are not aware of any significant sellers. Yesterday's heavy selling pressure would appear to be stock manipulation, as we have experienced before. Sure, buddy. Blame it on manipulation. Meanwhile, AITX also has been manipulated recently. Oh boy, we cannot. Man, this stock has been manipulated since 2021. It just keeps going down. Sheesh. This is ridiculous. We cannot control the share price, but we can control the strategy, development, and growth of the business. You can also control communicating with the shareholders and dropping PRs. You can also do that, which you refuse to do. This is not even a PR. This is a shareholder letter to tell you, yeah, we're gonna continue to do what we've been doing, and the share price we don't control it. Yeah, we know, but to an extent, you can stem the bleeding with some PRs, communication, get people excited, get people talking about the stock. You can make fun of AITX all you want. At least the CEO communicates every week, and they're active on social media on top of that, which we are executing exactly as previously expressed. Yeah, we are on track to finalize the uplisting of QND, which I believe will bring significant value to other and its shareholders. Sure. Once QND completes this process, it should pave the way for substantial progress for SAML, which in turn I anticipate will benefit IDIS and its shareholders. Oh yeah. IDIS itself is currently in discussions and preparing for an uplist, albeit taking a different route than QND and SAML. What does that mean? No reverse merger? Are you saying we're gonna? This will involve some structuring and acquisition of new assets, which is already underway. As I often assumed, this route does not involve a reverse split. Okay, good to know. I don't have to be concerned about my shares that I'm holding because they just confirmed there will not be a reverse split. They're also going to make an acquisition, which I look forward to that news because that can move it depending on how hot that PR is. Is it a big acquisition that involves 100 million plus dollars, or what is it going to be? Among several developments occurring in our business, I am pleased that the new additions to our accounting team are settling in well and working hard toward our August filings. I look forward to August as well. Maybe that might be another uh, opportunity for the stock to move to the upside. Really, all I'm looking for is there going to be an opportunity for this stock to move to the upside so I can make money as a swing trader. Again, we adapt. It doesn't matter if they drop PRs or not. We adapt, we buy in, we ride it up when it pops. We've been doing this for 3 years now. So it doesn't even matter if they don't want to please quote unquote day traders, swing traders. You're still pleasing us ultimately because we can adapt to you, regardless of what your PR strategy is. So, you can suck on that one, Iris. And a lot of people here on the right hand side got to keep the illusion alive until the last shareholder realizes the truth or the SEC stops these crooks. Sam Acker Finance. Why does people selling have to equate to stock manipulation? Bold claim. Your shares are trading on a volatile, illiquid exchange. Maybe just some people are selling the shares. You guys don't get it, do you? Right now everything is down. I'm gonna buy when the recession is over. This guy's living in twilight. Anyways, I think that is why am I getting anime? Is that anime? Why am I seeing anime on an Ilus? Yeah. Anyways, people are gonna call it a dumpster fire, a scam, and you know what? I can't even defend this stock when they recently admitted they're just gonna continue to do what they've been doing, and what they've been doing is destroying the share price. So, you take that as you will. I don't know how you're going to even argue this. Sir, the stock price keeps going down since they've been growing the business. Sir, with your top hat, I'm telling you right now, it doesn't even matter if they don't want to please people like me. I'm still able to adapt to their PR strategy, which is release a PR once in a blue moon. And because they don't hint at anything, well, when it does drop that PR, it moves like a penny, and we can from here, I'll still make money regardless. This could go to 002s, and that will load up there, and this thing will move a penny because of that awesome share structure. Again, not a low float like ASNS, but there's still money to be made. We can adapt. That's the beauty of being a trader. We can make the adaptations necessary. Anyways, I don't think I need to. I'm just addressing the people that are going to leave the usual comments. Well, they don't want to please people like you. Oh, well, eventually the share price will appreciate. Eventually it'll bottom out. Eventually it'll go up. Eventually we'll get a huge 20,000, 100,000% run. Yeah, we're totally back in 2021, I guess, not 2024. I'll see you guys in the next one.